Lexi, come back. Come back over here. Can you do it? Can you do it? Can you come back around? Lexi, come back over. What if Mama helped? What if Mama helped? Or are we a little twisted up? Are we just a little twisted? Maybe I'll come over there. Daddy's home. You have to show him what you can do. You have to show him. Hi.
Show me? Show me what?
Oh, you'll just have to come see.
I will, but first I gotta get my shoes off.
Come here, you. We need to get that all untwisted, don't we?